Hey guys, I'm Mark with the Ovalrc, and we're at Pheasantland RC Park. And yes, you will hear some RC cars on the basher track behind me, but we're going to be unboxing the Rlaarlo, and it's spelled R-L-A-A-R-L-O. So I think you pronounce it Rlaarlo. I'm not exactly sure. And this is for ages 8+. It's a 1/16 scale four-wheel drive RC truck. Okay, let's take the lid off the box. Set that aside. If you look down inside the box, you can see the truck's packaged really nice. Looks like it has some cardboard on each side of the truck. Pull that out. Truck will lift right out. Set that aside. And you have one more box, and that's going to hold your transmitter. Pull our transmitter out. And you'll get a lug wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. Next, inside the box, you get your user manual, and you have another bag inside the box. We'll open that up, and you'll get a USB charger. You'll plug one end into the battery and the other end into a charging block. Plug that into the wall or a computer, and when it's charging, you'll see a solid red light and a blinking green light showing you that it's charging. And you'll also get a spare battery. So this is a 2-cell, 7.4 volt, 1500 milliamp lithium ion battery, and it has the T-plug on the end or the Dean's connector. With the truck, you will get this RC 2.4 gigahertz transmitter. Has red foam on the steering wheel. Turning the wheel to the right will steer the truck to the right. Turning it to the left will steer the truck to the left. Just underneath the steering wheel, you have a throttle trigger. Pulling that toward the handle will move the truck forward. Pushing it forward, we'll put the brake on. Pushing it forward again, we'll move the truck in reverse. On the bottom of the transmitter, you will see the battery door. Just slide that over like that. You will need to install the 3 AA batteries. They do not come with the truck. When you're done, just slide the door back into place. You have some controls on top of the transmitter. You have an on-off button. Pressing that will turn the transmitter on. Pressing it again will turn it off. You have a throttle trim knob, a steering trim knob, and in the center you have a steering rate knob. Just below that, you have 2 buttons you can press to reverse either the throttle or the steering. And now we'll take a close look at the truck, and the truck looks really good in the red and black graphics. This really is a sharp-looking truck. And down the side of the truck, you'll see where it says Rlaarlo. I hope that's the way you pronounce it. Up on the roof, looks like you have some protection for the roof. And on that protector up top there, you have some LED lights across the top. And then the roll bar in the back, you also have some LED lights. Taking the body off the truck is easy. All you have to do is move this latch here to the side and lift it up like that. And you can carefully lift the body off the truck, but you have to be careful because there is LED wires already attached. You can see they're attached to the body of the truck and attached to the ESC. So if you want to be careful that you don't rip those wires out. And now you can see the chassis. And the chassis is made of plastic. It has a front bumper and a rear bumper. They're both made of plastic, along with a wheelie bar. Right here's your ESC and steering servo, and you have a brushed motor right here and red cooling fins wrapping around that brushed motor. You have a T-plug or a Dean's connector to plug into your battery, and there's already a battery inside the truck. To remove the battery that's inside the truck, just slide over the brace like that, lift it up out of the way, and you can easily remove the battery. When you're ready to run the truck, just press the battery down inside there like that. Slide the battery brace back into place, and plug in the T-connector. You will need to be careful putting the body back on. You'll slide this clip right here underneath this brace right here in the chassis. And then pushing down on the back and latching it in place, just like that. If you look at the bottom of the chassis, you'll see it's nice and smooth. It's made of plastic. You can see the A-arms and the suspension travel. The shocks are made of plastic. The shock springs are metal. And there is adjusters on the shocks, although it feels like there's no oil inside the shocks. Tires do feel soft, although there's no foam inside the tire. And you can see the suspension travel on the truck. All right, we got our batteries all charged up. Looks like we're ready to go have some fun on the basher course. Nice. The Rlaarlo's pretty tough. Okay, time for the mud run. Let's give her a test. So I hope you guys like the unboxing of the Rlaarlo. I'll leave the Amazon link in the description below for you guys. Don't forget, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. You can join my Facebook group, that's the Ovalrc, and follow me on TikTok. I'm Mark with the Ovalrc. We'll see you next time.